Everybody is so worried about this Apple stock, especially after Warren Buffett, one of the biggest investors in Apple stock, just sold some of their Apple stock at Berkshire Hathaway. So in this video, I'm going to show you what's going on with Apple, what is reporting lately, and what is the forecast for the future. Welcome to my channel. As always, I would like to show you how you can utilize your current income so you can multiply your money and make your money pay for your expenses in the future. I have been investing in Apple stock for many years, but I would like to show you why I am not selling my Apple stock. I'm going to show you some of their finances, and I will give you my opinion on many great things that Apple is doing right towards the end of the video. Apple stock is in their highest point ever in history, almost reaching $200 a share. It has a 2.9 trillion market cap with a revenue of $381 billion. It has a net income of more than $100 billion, over $100 billion in net profit. This is great, with a dividend, small dividend, but it's paying 0.53%. This company has a gross margin of over 45%, a profit margin of 26.3%. So it's generating really good amount of net profits. Apple has $162 billion in cash. This is great, with a total debt of $104 billion. So the company continues to grow their revenue. As you can see, in the past 5 years, even with the pandemic, the company continued to grow their net revenue, even though in 2023, it actually dropped 2.8%. But if we look at the EPS, earnings per share, it continues to grow, even though in 23, it actually dropped in revenue. And this is because of the services that they offer in all their apps and their products, growing at $6.13 for 2023. And if we look at the next 5 years, the company's revenue continues to grow, not by a big amount, but it continues growing, but especially their earnings per share, which is going to grow at around 10% per year in the next 5 years. So as you can see, Apple continues to grow. Many news are saying that China doesn't even use or take or like Apple products. But in the opposite, some of the best maps that people use to navigate China are actually offered by Apple. And Apple continues to sell Apple products in China, which is a really big market. But the biggest opportunity for Apple is artificial intelligence that is innovating significantly during the next few years at the same time as the services. So many of you would like to save all the memories of pictures and videos in your phone. And most people are actually forced to pay extra storage in the cloud so you can save all these memories in your phone. So many people went from paying $0 in cloud storage to pay $1 or $1.99 in cloud storage. But now, since technology continues to advance, the picture quality of videos and photos, they actually require more space. So now people are being forced to pay more and more money monthly to keep their storage in their cloud. So this is more revenue for us, Apple investors, and this is why the company continues to grow and grow in money. So their sales continue to multiply and grow every single year. And this is the reason why they don't need to sell that many iPhones, because people continue to just use their services. And we're talking about Apple Pay. For example, I pay everything with Apple Pay. And Apple gets commission for all these purchases. And this is the most important thing about this video. Apple is actually helping protect lives and save lives. And I think this is priceless. And the reason is because many people actually use Apple Watch and they can actually monitor your heart. And this is gonna become more and more advanced in the next few years, to the point that your Apple Watch will be able to send you to the doctor or maybe send notifications to the doctor letting them know that you're having some issues health wise. And they're going to be able to assess all these issues and prevent many diseases in the future. And when a company protects your life, I think this is priceless. So I would like to know your opinions about all the information in this video, because the idea is that we can utilize many of these investments to continue to grow our wealth. So if you want to continue to see all this great information, don't forget to subscribe. I will leave you 2 more videos that you will enjoy to continue to learn how to invest your money and grow your wealth. Because the idea is that you can make your money work for you instead of you just working for money. So we continue to invest every single week because the best is yet to come.